Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the last day of January 2022, and I'm going to talk about Cardano today. I'm going to talk about ADA. I want us to see, I did a video on the 26th of January. You guys can actually tell that the market really hasn't gone up. So I wanted to come in real quick, break in, and give y'all something that may happen into the market in ADA to where we won't be caught off guard. That's one of the biggest things that we need to ensure that we don't do. We want to make sure that we're on the right side of the game so that we can continually profit in the market. So if you guys appreciate it, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe, follow this particular type of channel, follow this particular type of page to ensure that you guys stay updated on these ever-changing market conditions within the cryptocurrency space. So now, I did a video on the 26th, like I said, and I was playing the strength into the market in ADA. I was looking for the market to go up, especially as price maintained itself above the support area of around $1. And so far, so good. I mean, the market has kept this price above $1, which is excellent, which is fine. But if we still see weakness, we might want to just let this go and then expect the market in ADA to continue to drop, right? Let's see what we're looking forward to. All right, let me get rid of this because ultimately we want to see whether or not Cardano investors will end up making a profit as we go into the year of 2022, because we're in a downtrend. And we started this downtrend in ADA following September of last year. We've been in a downtrend, very sustained downtrend in ADA. So we're not starting off 2022 on a good foot in ADA right now. So we want to see, how low do you think this price is going to go? I've already told you on my last video on the 26th that if price is able to stay above $1 in ADA, that's going to be fantastic. That, yeah, maybe the investors in ADA could inch out a couple of profits, percentage points, to round out 2022. But what if not? What if we break $1? I mean, how low do you think this market in ADA really can go to the downside? Let's see this. Since today's the last day of the month in January, let's look at this on the monthly time frame. Okay. So now, my question to you is, obviously, I mean, every price bar that you see on my chart right now is a month's worth of price action, right? Take a look at this. The last 5 months in ADA, market has gone down. That is a bear market. I don't care what anyone tries to convince us of. Every month for the last 5 consecutive months, price has been coming down. I'm not here to convince you. You guys can visually tell for yourself. This is the actual truth of the market. The last 5 months, we have not seen one month to where price ended up closing higher than the previous month's price bar. That is crazy. No one is trying to buy ADA. The overall market is trying to sell it, because if they wasn't, then obviously one of these months we should have seen the price close higher than the previous month, but we haven't seen it. So what in the world is going on? Yeah, people are selling. Now, I want you all to see this on the 2 week time frame. Okay. We broke the trend as well into the market in ADA. Right here on this 2 week price bar to round up the last couple of months of 2021. All of this is confirming how weak this market is in ADA. Look at what happened on this last 2 week price bar. High volume, very widespread, still getting rejected. This market in ADA is massively weak. So like I said, if we still see weakness into the market in ADA, we might want to minimize these losses right now from my price prediction that I did on the 26th and continue to play the weakness. Most definitely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and let this price prediction go. I don't like it. Basically what happened on the 2 weeks time frame, basically what we're looking at on a monthly time frame, this market here in ADA is still weak. So that's 4.69% loss right there, but we should be able to get that back, especially as we see this market in ADA continue to go down. Okay. Now, even if I do see the market in ADA come up here to 120, but price still sees weakness at this 120 mark, it still lets me know that the overall trend is still weak, and then we can still sit back and let the market go down. Yeah. What I mean is, if we were to see the price in ADA come up here to 120, $1.20, and let's say we start to see weakness and it gets rejected, then it lets me know that the market is still weak and I can expect the market to continue to go down. That's what I'm trying to tell you all. So hit this up real quick. Let's see what we got on a 3-day time frame in the market in ADA, because you guys can see it. We're still seeing weakness, but the market is really subsiding. It's like it's waiting for the buyers to approach this $1 area, but they're not here. Like, where are all the buyers that came into the market back in April, May, June, July of 2021? They need to appear right now. This is what the market is waiting for, but they're not showing up possibly because they made all their money back here last year. So let's see this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play a little bit of weakness here into the market in ADA. Okay. So let me show you what we're going to do. Now, we need to think back here, like I said, in 2021 to figure out where would be the next area for us to see support. You guys can see it already. The first spot for us to see it is right here on the low that came in on the 22nd of January, which was around 91 cents. We did the same thing back on the 23rd of April 2021. Market came down to around 91 cents. Okay, that's the first price target. Yeah, 91 cents. That will give us around 9.5% profitability. Yeah. But the next area, the second price target, is going to be down here towards 80, which is around 20.5. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm simply stair-stepping our way down to these lower prices because the market hasn't received any indication that the buyers are approaching the market yet. And until such time, we need to be prepared for this price in ADA to continue to go down. I mean, it is what it is. We're in a downtrend. This is what a bear market looks like in the cryptocurrency space. Until we find an indication that buyers are here, we need to continue to follow the overall trend of the market. And so far, when I see this on a longer term basis, yeah, this market still is weak. Okay. So we have what, 91 cents first as our first price target, and then 80 cents second. Okay, that's where we're at right now today. Now I got the comment section open, and I do that because I want everyone else to do their price target, their own price predictions publicly, right? Put it out on this particular channel, on this particular video, and give me your price target, your price prediction for ADA as we go into the month of March. Okay, real quick. Just think about where you think the market is headed. You guys saw my thoughts. You guys heard what I think about ADA and where price is going to go. So now it's your turn. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.